Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to quickly search your bookmarks in browser using this extension. So in Google Chrome, this is the extension Bookmarks Quick Search. So by default, you can search bookmarks, but it's very difficult, tedious process. It doesn't include a search bar, and it makes it easy, very difficult to search bookmarks if you have lot many bookmarks. So in my case, I have lot of thousands of bookmarks. So it adds this search bar, which makes it easy for you to directly search for the bookmark that you're looking forward to. It's got almost 20,000 installs. So I've already installed it. So this icon will appear. Simply activate this and click on this. And once you click on this, all the bookmarks will show. You can scroll this, and right here you just search for your bookmark, what bookmark you are looking forward to. So directly in the search bar, if I am looking forward for GitHubs, so now all the GitHub bookmarks will show right here. So this makes it very much easy, guys. If you have are looking forward for a specific bookmark, you basically type the search, type the keyword which bookmark you are looking forward to, simply type GitHub, and it will show you all the GitHub related. So you can go to anything, simply click on that and it will redirect you to that specific bookmark that you have done. So as you see, I bookmarked this URL and it exactly shows you the bookmark URL. Again, you can simply search for this. So if you have created a folder, then you will see all the files will be there inside this folder. You click on that. So you will see that, guys, it's very easy to use Google Chrome extension for actually finding out your bookmarks which are old. Definitely check this out.